guys, so having so many slimes gets a bit messy, so what better way to use them than to do a giant slime smoothie. To spice up the slime, random things will be added as well, so grab some food, get comfy, and enjoy the slime mixing. So a bunch of these slimes were from the Adding Too Much and Adding Weird Ingredients series. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the videos on the channel for some super crazy and satisfying slime creations there. Finally, the slime actually turned out looking kinda pretty. So anyways, most of these slimes are melted since it's been sitting around for so long. After mixing in a ton of activator, the slime was back into a playable slime texture. It ended up being this brown color, which is what usually happens when you mix in a ton of colors and leave it up to the slime gods to decide what you get. But hey, at least these rhinestone gems shine bright and made the slime look prettier. Alright guys, that was a giant slime smoothie. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notified for a bunch of slime videos every week. See you in the next one. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah.